At Old Town Hot Springs, every splash tells a story of health, confidence, connection, and community. From learning to swim, to building strength, to chasing big dreams, access to wellness changes lives at every stage.
I'm Anthony Mall, I'm 15, and I've been on swim team for 7 years now. What really made me start to love swimming was when the pools were actually closed. I never really appreciated the sport until I didn't have it, so now I think I love it a lot more. I definitely love my teammates and my coaches. Then I also love competing. I think that's one of my favorite things with the sport is just the competition. I mean, without the scholarships, I don't think I'd really be swimming. It would be very hard for me to get on the team, and it just helps me a lot with my life. I notice when I'm swimming, I'm in a better mood and I just feel better overall. So I really love coming to swim.
Hi, my name is Celine Sargis. I am the aquatics programs manager here at Old Town Hot Springs, and I am also the head coach of the Steamboat Springs swim team. Swim team provides kids the opportunity to learn how to swim, which can save their life. It also offers a certain level of camaraderie. The social aspect of it is really important, especially in this community. It teaches kids how to work hard and how to persevere through challenges. It gives them a safe space to learn how to try new things, how to succeed, but most importantly, how to fail and how to recover from that.
I am Miss Jetty. I am the significant needs teacher over at Steamboat Springs High School. We're able to hit OT goals and things that we wouldn't be able to do otherwise without being able to come here. This helps balance, it helps strength, posture. Our students are nonverbal, so it's a great way for them to be able to come relax. If something's hurting and they're not able to communicate that, they can come here. This is a place where the whole community gathers, so it's a place for the students to be able to interact with the community, and it's a great way to just really calm the nervous system, and that sensory experience just feels really good. There's just so many things that we just wouldn't be able to do and offer without having this program available for these students to be able to come in and enjoy it. Very, very much appreciate what Old Town Hot Springs and the community does for us.
Movement is more than exercise. It's independence, confidence, and quality of life. Through senior fitness programs, older adults in our community are building strength, improving balance, and staying connected every day. These programs help people live healthier, stronger lives for years to come.
As a kid in Steamboat Springs, I did every sport imaginable, including swim team here at Old Town Hot Springs. And being a diverse athlete as a kid really shaped who I am and allowed me to qualify for the US ski team as a Nordic combined athlete, and then later on qualify for the Olympic team. So the heritage and the kind of sport history of Steamboat Springs has really shaped me to the athlete I am today. Some of my earliest memories here are swim team. I remember my mom was the head coach of the team, and we always had a great time in the pool and had some fun time in the Hot Springs after as well. The meets always stood out to me, you know, the swim team and the team aspect of it, and training here in Steamboat, and then taking the school bus out to some fun meets, and also having my mom as a coach was a core memory. Old Town Hot Springs really helped me develop as an athlete. Having a reliable training grounds here with all the equipment you could possibly need. And also, even as an employee, the flexible schedule was extremely helpful for me as I'm on the road, able to come back, put in a few shifts, and then head out again. I would say a huge thank you to anybody who's supported Old Town Hot Springs, and without the facilities that were possible with the support, I wouldn't be where I am today.
Every day, lives are changed through access to wellness, movement, and community connection. From first splash to lifelong health, Old Town Hot Springs is proud to serve as a place where everyone can grow, belong, and thrive.